We have two different styles of Speedy tent, and we have a heavy duty one and a lighter duty one. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the lighter duty one. These are the way they come packaged. Just so you guys know, we take extra care in how we ship out our products. We try to get everything out FedEx for you guys. It's a much more reasonable rate, and it usually gets to you guys a little quicker with the tracking number and everything. So it really looks good when you get it. We're going to get all of this out of the boxes. Here you have your 10 by 10 frame. When you order a complete 10 by 10 tent, it is going to come in a couple of boxes. This is going to be just the frame. It has the stakes and some ropes in there. We'll get in there, we'll dig all that out, get it set up for you guys so you can see how that's done. In here you have your tent top. It comes wrapped in a plastic bag to give it a little bit of extra protection, even though, like I said, we have those extra heavy-duty boxes there. And then here's a sidewall kit that has a door on it and everything else that we need to put this thing up in the air, protect you guys from weather and the sun and everything else. So we'll get this thing out of the box, get it set up, and you guys can take a look and you guys let us know what we think. Real quick, guys, really nice storage bag. Heavy duty nylon, has a couple of handles here for to hang on to, a big pocket. You can stick your stakes and ropes and things in there, and it does have two zippers and it unzips completely. Down here you have wheels, so you can wheel this thing on a better surface than this, obviously on grass, but we're gonna go ahead and get this opened up here. And they actually make this bag big enough, I don't know if you can tell right now, but when we put the top on this, we'll be able to put this back in here with the top on it, so you don't have to worry about having two separate areas of storing your equipment. But they do come banded. All right, this gives you a little bit more protection as it's being shipped. So we'll cut those off. Get rid of that. We're gonna get this going here. Jeff, you want to grab this corner, and we'll just get it out a little bit more. Okay. This is about as far out as you want to get it before you get your tent top out. We always recommend, Jeff, if you want to grab that tarp, we always recommend you put a ground cover down. Whether you're working nylon or anything else for that matter, on your tent tops, canvas, vinyl, try and get a ground cover down when you get your tent top out of the box. It'll protect you from anything that's on the ground, help keep it nice and clean. A 10 by 10 is pretty easy to work with, but when you get into a bigger tent top, you want to give yourself some cover here. Okay, so basically, Jeff is going to find his back corner. I got my back corner, and we're just going to go over the top here. Find your front corners. And each corner is going to have these little female Velcro strips here to go onto the male side of the Velcro. Line those up and just stick them on there for now. The tent top's going to be loose and hanging a little bit, but that'll get stretched out as we open it up more. And we're going to pull back. Lift on that bottom. See where I'm lifting under here, Jeff? Yeah, okay. Pull back. Yeah, pull on the bar and lift at the same time. You got to pull on the bar, buddy. Pull here and lift here. Okay, we'll go to the other side. Go to the opposite corner. It's going to be real stiff the first time you set it up, guys. It's a brand new tent.
You want it to snap in?
Yep, it'll snap in. Okay. All the way up, you'll hear it click into place.
All right.
Okay, at this point, guys, your tent is up in the air, stable. So you're going to take your first front legs here. There's 5 different adjustments, 5 different holes. Make sure you guys are all in the same hole there. Jeff, you're on number 3. I'll go on number 3 as well. Okay, so you're up. We got a few things underneath here before you're done. The first things you want to do is you want to get under here. And these are going to give you a little bit more security around the tent. Keep this tent top from flopping around. So you'll repeat this process all the way around. There's 1 or 2 straps on each side. And now the tent is up. Hi again, guys. So we have a Speedy tent that's up in the air. We're going to demonstrate to you how to take it down. It's the end of your event. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get these inside straps off. These are what holds your canopy onto the frame. It gives a little bit more security. Grab that front one, Brandon. Okay. And then you're going to drop your legs down, all the way down. All the way down. Now underneath here, you have these pins. You're just going to pull it, and you'll feel it pop down. You see how it popped down a little there? Same thing. Just give it a little pull, and you'll feel it go down. Go ahead up to the front there, Brandon. Now you're kind of going to just push towards each other, shimmy in. It's just like that. Okay, we talked about this in another video, or maybe even the same video. The bag is big enough to put the tent top and everything right in all at once. Plenty of room, guys. There you go. It's ready to take on to your next event. Throw it on your truck, get it ready, and that's it. Thanks so much.